Okay, let's dive into proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs. Honestly, you or someone you know probably takes them.
These things are everywhere. In the UK alone, over 35 million prescriptions handed out in just 1 year.
But here's the wild part. Up to 60% of those prescriptions literally have no valid medical reason.
So what are they? Basically, PPIs are super strong meds that shut down stomach acid to help heal your gut.
Their biggest perk? Acting like a heavy-duty bodyguard for your stomach against harsh, ulcer-causing painkillers like NSAIDs.
If you're over 60 or have a history of ulcers, getting that acid protection is absolutely non-negotiable.
Why? Because without it, those painkillers cause over 12,000 hospitalizations for bleeding ulcers every single year.
But we really gotta ask, is taking PPIs long-term, without a rock-solid reason, actually safe for us?
Short answer? No. Lingering on them for years brings some hidden systemic health risks we just can't ignore.
The data shows chronic use almost doubles your risk for kidney disease and nasty C. diff intestinal infections.
Plus, suppressing acid that long basically locks away vital nutrients, blocking your absorption of magnesium, B12, and iron. You're looking at short-term threats like pneumonia, right up to moderate long-term links with osteoporotic bone fractures.
So the fix here is PPI stewardship. It's all about finding that perfect, safe medical balance.
Which brings us to the real question. Who needs to actually step down or just stop taking these?
Well, if your initial gut issue has healed up and you're not high risk anymore, it's review time.
Quick warning though, never stop if you've got severe stuff like Barrett's esophagus or recurrent bleeding ulcers.
To do this safely, doctors actually follow a really specific step-down algorithm to lower your dose.
The plan is super simple. Assess the need, gradually drop the dose, and watch closely for symptom relapses.
Depending on what your doctor says, you can either taper off slowly or just stop completely. Both work. But get ready for acid rebound. Your symptoms might temporarily flare up for a couple of weeks.
Don't panic though. You can manage that rebound with basic over-the-counter antacids, H2 blockers, and avoiding trigger foods.
Blindly taking meds forever can cause real harm. So, when did you last review your prescriptions?